Jonathan, great to have you back on Floor Talk, this time in person. Wonderful to see you.
Thanks for having me.
So let's talk about Content Square. Why did you start Content Square?
So I started Content Square when I was at business school, and at the time, 10 years ago, the business was going digital. And the main way to drive more business online was through user acquisition, meaning buying traffic. Google with a search, Salesforce with CRM. And so I tried to think about the next big thing, the next big opportunity. And I quickly understand that if the advertising, the traffic is fantastic, but the website or the mobile app is poor, people will leave. And that's how came the idea to try to understand why someone is leaving, what happened in the page, to really solve this black box.
Now, Jonathan, according to Gartner, 80% of businesses expect to compete on experience, and yet 2 in 5 online experiences today end in frustration for that customer. So now tell me, what are the challenges for creating great customer experiences today?
3 challenges. Number 1 is about the analytics and the data. This is super complex. And so we are really upset about one-click analytics. You don't need to be a PhD in mathematics to understand your contribution to the revenue of the company. To make it super easy, you have a lot of data in one click, you understand the revenue performance. Number 2 is about siloed. Data are siloed. You have technology and data for marketing team, for tech team, for product team. But when you look at the content on the website, a visual, maybe it's good for engagement, but bad for loading time. When you are aggregating all this data into one-stop shop platform, you can really understand the performance on your asset. And number 3, with AI, you can really solve the problem of going quicker, faster, smarter, providing insight, recommendation, and prediction.
So now talk to me about how your platform helps brands create great experiences for customers.
So Content Square is an AI-powered analytics platform that helps to improve the quality of the experience on web and mobile app, to improve conversion, revenue, engagement. And the way it starts is we believe that every interaction matters. And so we collect every mouse movement, touch, swipe, zoom, and we aggregate all this data and we turn it into insight, recommendation, and prediction. So we really believe that experience should be perfect when you go online, because we spend a lot of time online. That's the mission of Content Square.
Now, today you're announcing some disruptive new tools for brands. Tell me about that.
We are bringing a lot of new AI capabilities into Content Square to make the workflow easier, session replay summary, to have co-pilot capabilities faster and smarter, to have more AI alerting system with improvement of prediction, recommendation, Gen AI sentiment analysis. That is the first part. The second part is we are progressing also in our vision to this AI analyst, AI agent. Instead of asking information, you have more push. Second part, we bought several companies, 8 total, recently Hip and Hotjar. We are aggregating them into one platform, one-stop shop analytics platform, having all the analytics capabilities into one. And we will leverage this opportunity to do it into one brand and one experience. On top of that, we would like to give the power of Content Square to any company of any size, any maturity. And that's why we are going through a new model that is more a freemium model, giving the opportunity to test the technology, having value, and generating a lot of ROI moving forward.
Very exciting news. So now finally, Jonathan, tell me, what do you think the future of customer service will look like?
I would dream to have an instantly perfect experience on web and mobile app and even on physical store. And so when I look at the future, I think that the future of the experience will be fully personalized, intuitive, accessible, privacy by design. You do not need to order a taxi. It will come before you need, anticipatory, one website per user, per experience that makes you even more happy.
All right, well, it's been fantastic to talk with you, Jonathan. Great to have you here in person, and congratulations on your exciting news.
Thanks for having us. Take care.